Okay, so I'm going to work through some more example problems for greatest common factor. We're on lesson practice 22A. This is page 301. So number 1, the first 3 problems, the directions are write the factors of each number after the number and then underline the common factors. Write the greatest common factor in the blank. The first one's done for you. So 5, we see the factors listed out are 1, 2, 5, and 15, or 5 and 10. And then 15, 1 times 15 gives us 15, and then 3 times 5. And then the factors that are common or the same between both of those numbers is 5 and 1. And the greatest number of those is 5. So the greatest common factor of 10 and 15 is 5. Okay, so 12 and 16. Let's write out the factors of 12. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay, 16, 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4, and that's it. Okay, so common factors among both the numbers. We have a 4, 2, 1. Okay, what is the greatest number among these 1, 2, and 4? 4. So the greatest common factor between 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, number 3, the greatest common factor between 6 and 18. So 1 and 6, 2 and 3. And then 18 is 1 and 18, 2, 9, 3, and 6. Okay, so among these factors, which one are common? 6, 3, 2, and 1. And which one is the greatest or largest? Would be 6. So the greatest common factor of 6 and 18 is 6. Okay, number 4 is find the prime factors for each number. The first one's done for you. So you can use this method that they're showing you here to get the prime factors, or you can write out the tree like we've been doing. So 24, I did that one for us. And the prime factors of 24 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So I'm going to go do number 5, 36. So you could say 2 times 18 gives us 36. You could say 4 times 9. Let's do that one. That might be a more common one. And then 4 breaks down to 2 and 2. 9 breaks down to 3 and 3. So the prime factors of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, 28. So that breaks down to 4 times 7. 7 is a prime number, so we're done with that one. And 4 can break down to 2 times 2. So 28. Prime factors are 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, number 7 is 42. So 6 and 7 will give us 42. And you can come up with any of the factors as long as you continue to break them down. And then 6 breaks down to 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 times 7 gives us 42. Okay, so the next one's 8 through 11. You're going to use those numbers that we just did and come up with the greatest common factor from the prime factors that we established. So 12 and 36, they have that all written out. And then they look at to see what's common among them. They both have a 3 and they both have 2 2's. So those are written out. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. Okay, so 28 and 36. I actually want to erase this. So 28 and 36. So we said 4.